Hey folks, if you were in the Rio Hondo area earlier today, you may have seen this. Sandy Bravo did. She sent us the picture. That's a funnel cloud coming down out of those clouds, not quite reaching down to the windmills. It's a good thing. If it doesn't touch the ground, it's a funnel cloud. If it reaches the ground, then it becomes a tornado if it's got a violent rotation with it. This had at least some rotation, obviously, mainly a condensation funnel made of moisture, condensed water vapor, moved pretty quickly and it was gone. This is what radar looked like. That happened earlier in the day, and we'll go a little bit closer in and you can watch Rio Hondo sitting right there. And if you watch it, the stuff fired up and then moved away very quickly, and that was the end of that. But we've continued to see showers flare up in that area, mainly over Harlingen, and move away. Just in the last few minutes, one more shower on the south side of Harlingen, kind of right out around the hospital off of Ed Carey. We've got a shower right, wait for it, right at the end, right there. There's one more after that. There it is. That's just fired up in the last couple of minutes in that area. So again, scattered showers continue across the valley this evening. And I think most of the stuff that's out there, and they're very isolated, will continue to push out, and that'll be the end of that. If you watch tonight, there's nothing left. I think it's a pretty quiet night across the region. And tomorrow, we'll probably see a shower or two again. Seabreeze tries to do stuff again tomorrow afternoon. So here you see scattered showers showing up in about the same spot, moving inland. But boy, they go away pretty quickly. And that's probably the end of that. I think we end up with just partly sunny skies across the area tomorrow. A little more sunshine, a little bit less rainfall. And notice the rain chances kind of go down, 20, 10, and then dry. But there's still a chance on Friday. Spotty showers continue to be a possibility even on Friday. By the weekend, though, I think we're dealing with the remnants of the tropical storm going east of us, and we're on the dry side of that. By the way, the official National Hurricane Center pronunciation guide, just so you're trying to figure this out, Cristobal is the official pronunciation. Say it however you want, whatever makes you happy. But in the meantime, it's 20 miles south of Ciudad del Carmen, which means it's made landfall down here. And it's going to stay there for a little while yet, but eventually, it's probably going to weaken a little too, but eventually it's going to start moving back to the north. Probably late Friday, and by Saturday, it's pushing through the north central Gulf of Mexico. And it looks like by the time you get to Sunday afternoon or Monday, the thing's going to be inland somewhere between, let's say, Houston and maybe Mobile, something like that. Two-thirds of storms actually stay in that cone. About a third of them go outside of it. You're talking mainly around the edges of it, and the weaker the storm, the less confidence there is in that forecast, and the less likely it is to be near that center point. And so you're looking at a minimal hurricane at most at this point, maybe just a strong tropical storm. This is what it looks like on satellite. Look at all the moisture on the other side of the Gulf, but sea breeze stuff firing up over here. Storm pushes to the north, but not until the weekend. So it just kind of hangs out down there for the next couple of days before eventually by Friday and into Saturday starting to push northward. Again, trying to thread the needle between the high to the west and the high to the east, pushes it right up into Louisiana. So we'll watch. We'll keep you posted as we go through the rest of the week. So for tonight, 74, a stray early shower, then some patchy fog, and then tomorrow back up to 91. Partly sunny skies. There could be a thunderstorm in one or two spots, but again, still a warm day across the area. 91, 92, 91 as we go into the weekend, and you look at the second half of the weekend and next week, it is hot and it is dry. Temperatures back in the upper 90s, some places probably touching 100. As we've talked about, that's what happens if a tropical system goes in up around Houston or beyond that. We end up on the very dry side of it, and it gets really, really hot. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.